One of my favourite ways to start a painting is with a blended background. This not only helps to eliminate the fear of the blank canvas, but it also provides an intriguing first layer to build upon. It's a fun and easy technique, and here are a few tips for blending acrylic paint like a pro. First up, prep your surface. You want to make sure that your surface is actually suitable for acrylic paint and can also hold many layers. My favourite surface is wood panel, as I love the smoothness of it. I always put down a layer of gesso to help protect the wood before applying any paint, and I use a white gesso to help the colours pop. You can use canvas or papers like watercolour papers or mixed media papers, whatever your preference. You can just apply paint directly to most canvases and paper. However, you can also use gesso on these to help reduce the amount of paint that's absorbed into the paper or canvas. It can also help the paint sit better and make the colours more vibrant. So if you're using paper, it also stiffens it a bit, which can help to minimise warping, though I would recommend taping it down to minimise this even more. Next tip is choosing your colours wisely. So basically you want to choose colours that won't just turn into mud when blended together. I tend to avoid using black to blend as it kind of takes over, and when I have experimented with black paint, I've only applied a small amount compared to the other colours. So my favourite way to blend is with 3 to 4 colours, white being one of them. I personally love the blend I get using this green, turquoise, purple and white. This is the combination I'm going to show you today. I think it looks really ethereal and makes me think of nature, which heavily influences my work. I personally love to use a bigger brush to blend. The size depends on the size of canvas I'm working with, obviously. Acrylic paint on its own dries quite quickly, so I need to work fast, and obviously the larger the brush, the quicker I can cover the surface. You might want to play about with different sizes of brushes to see what kind of blend you personally like. If you don't like the brush marks, you can always use a tool like a catalyst tool or an old card. You can obviously get a different blend with this, but it might be fun to play about with. I like to apply the paint directly to the surface. I would say here that you want to try and apply enough paint so you can easily cover the whole surface. Don't go overboard, but don't skimp either. The more you do this technique, the more you'll be able to kind of guess correctly how much you'll need as you put the paint down. Like I mentioned, acrylic paint dries quite quickly, so you do need to work quickly. Just get straight to it. Keep your paint colours open and nearby so that you can add more paint quickly if needed. And when you've covered the whole surface, you can stop here if you like this textured effect. However, I really love a flat, smooth blend myself, and I like to apply a collage on top of this, and it's important that there's a smooth, flat surface for that. So I will keep going, smoothing it all out until I have a really beautiful blend and I'm happy with it. And that's it. Just a quick one. I hope that was helpful. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.